now we're gonna use that for 2, divide it by 2.
24,495.
Where is 156?
156.
Then we take the square root of each one. X equals 156, you said?
Yeah.
So I tripled my time, but did I triple my distance?
No.
Exactly.
156.
So I didn't even double my distance. Inverse square law, remember that. Because
So
now
we
that
gotta-
I'm going out a little bit further, my radiation is cut for every foot by another quarter, right?
So is that's not correct, right? Or
What?
156, or was that?
156 would be if I had a 30-minute shot. All the math
Three
stays the
tens?
same. What's that?
If you had 3 10s, 3 10
If I had 3 10-minute shots in an hour,
Yeah,
they have to
in
be
an hour.
completed in an hour, then I gotta bump my boundary out to 156 feet.
Okay.
If I'm only doing 1 10-minute shot per hour, then I can bring it in as tight as 90. So when I crank out my shot, when I go out 90 feet, my meter's not gonna read 2 MR. It's gonna be hot, but anybody who stands there is only gonna get 2 MR in an hour. Because it's only one shot. You guys understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Up 10 minutes.
Yeah, just out of that 10, if he stood there for 10 minutes, he's gonna get 2 MR.
Yeah.
But that's legal, because you're not doing any more. Now, if you are doing multiple shots, you gotta add them all up before you decide to bring them in tight. Here's what you're really gonna do. You're gonna say, I got 10, you're gonna calculate it to 90 feet. You're like, okay, I only have 1, I can probably do 2 an hour, so I'm gonna calculate it for 2. I'm gonna go and just bump it out like 200 feet, just throw up some rope and keep everybody out.
Ah, okay.
You're always gonna over-exaggerate your boundaries, because that's the safest thing to do. Don't ever cut yourself short and put it right at 90 feet.
Let's do one more.
You guys wanna do one more? Like I said, these big ones are not on the test, so don't stress over it,
You
but
got
this
it,
is what
huh?
the job entails.
You ready, Alan? There's only, you said 5 math problems anyways.
I'm not ready for the test yet.
5 math problems, shit.
Well,
5 out of 100, shit.
I want to take a break. I'm hungry. I want some water really quick. If you were hungry, I would let you eat before the test. I want a 10-minute break before the test. I have food. I'll just wait.
I'm gonna add one more step to it.
Oh,
65 curies of cobalt 60 using a 20% culminator. We have 3 inches
In
of
there?
steel. We're looking for
One
the
of
2
those?
MR boundary, and we have 2 7-minute shot times in 1 hour.
Get that information, text it to you, and
Let me Google that shit.
that's cool. That's
You
cool.
know what? It's probably in those damn radiography apps you can download for your phone too. Cobalt. Back in the day, we had to have calculators in the truck.
And you said we could use that app for the test?
No.
Oh,
If I walk around and see anything but the calculator open on your phone, you failed the test and you're kicked out of the class for the day. What? I don't play games when it's test time, especially in this class. The other stuff is not so big deal, but like I said, out of everything you're learning, what's the only one that's gonna kill you?
radiation.
Don't play around with it, man. Man, I'm asking about it.
Hey, I'm gonna go transfer, dog. Oh, well. Huh? 40 years.